Hey everybody out there, this is Dan Diliberti, the head of our product management team here at Toughbook, and today we're at the product launch of our new family of Android handhelds. And I want to talk to you a little bit about these devices that I have in front of me. Today we are talking about the new Toughbook N1. The N1 has been in the market for quite a long time now, but it's been a very successful product for us, and we've decided to refresh it. We've supercharged it with an amazing CPU. It's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU 620-2, which is the fastest available CPU in the market today. It's got incredible 600 gigabyte speeds, communication speeds, and this is a really fantastic form factor. It's unique, no one else in the market has it. What we've done is we've angled the barcode scanner so that the user doesn't need to have a pistol grip in order to scan high volume barcodes. So the angled barcode scanner increases productivity, more accuracy, and it's been a really great seller for us. The other product we're introducing today, which is the new slim, sleek, and stylish, fully rugged, military standard handheld device. This is called the Toughbook T1. The T1 looks like a modern, current product that you would want to use every day, but it's designed for the enterprise and has an incredible number of features in it, like a removable battery, integrated barcode scanner. So it has hooks into the Android operating system that allow us to manage, deploy, and control this device while it's out in the field. And so this is going to be a really great new product for the rugged handheld industry. And the big brother to the T1 is the new L1. Still slim, sleek, stylish type product, but with some integrated features for the enterprise that you wouldn't normally find in any other handheld device. This has a barcode scanner that's configurable for both landscape and portrait. So depending on how the application developer writes the application, he or she can write the application to be used like this or like that. Again, giving our customers a lot of flexibility in the development and great usability for the end user out in the field. So we have a good, better approach to the market. So the Toughbook N1 is a higher end, more horsepower type solution for the enterprise. This has a suggested retail of $18.99 and is already shipping today. So because these two products are based on the same Qualcomm platform, they're managed and deployed in all the same ways. They have the same battery size on the back, so they're interchangeable with the same accessories. And they're both available on the market for $14.99 suggested retail price, and they'll be shipping in September and October timeframe. Thanks for listening to this video and watching these new products. Let us know if you're interested. Thank you.